just trying to, I'm working on a project that requires a mini collaborator. In fact, they want something like Google Docs. And I was like, Omo, that thing is going to take time. It will be quite difficult for me. But what I can do for you is, it is possible, but based on the timeline that is being, that based on the timeline that I'm given, it will be quite difficult to actually build something like that. And trust me, building collaborative tools are not the easiest thing in the world. So I want to show you guys this little collaborating stuff that I did. So imagine you have a report that you want multiple people to be able to work on, and this report has multiple fields such as title, body, image, right? Or you can just refer to this as a post, but you want different people to be able to manage each of these inputs. Why? So let's say user A is editing the title, user B should not be able to edit the title while user A is editing it, and such as user C as well. But user B and user C can decide to actually update other fields that are in the post. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to refresh and disconnect each of these users. If I refresh this man as well, yeah, so you can see currently none of the three users are connected to the reporting tool. So once I click on connect, this user is connected. You can see that it is now showing as a collaborator. If I connect as well, this user is also now showing as a collaborator. If I connect as well, this user is now also showing as a collaborator. So now if any of these users should probably leave this page or something, but one way for me to actually demo that is, let me refresh. So you can see now the user is no longer part of the list of collaborators, and the user is no longer part of the list of collaborators. Now let me connect back. Yeah, you can see. So another thing that I've done is, so as a user, once a user clicks on a text box, other users' text box are blurred out. So that means they will not be able to type into the box. So if I say the title of the report is the state of living, yeah. So while I'm doing this, another person can decide to actually be editing the body. So, but because I don't have a way to show you different system and I only have one mouse, so once you click out, or the text became visible for other users to be able to perform any form of edit they want to do. So if I decide to edit body here, so I am editing the body from user Taufik, right? So once you click out, it becomes enabled. You can see because I clicked into this guy, every other input box is disabled for other users. So let's say you now have an image that you want to use as well. So you can input the image URL of the report. Yeah, so basically that's what I have done. If you like to see a sample of this code, or you like me to create a tutorial around, I actually created this collaborative tool. I am actually trying to put together a WebSockets tutorial with different real life implementation, so that you can learn how to use WebSockets, how to connect with it, and so forth. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.